Part A says, use the information in figure 1 to determine the volume of the prism. This has a base that is a triangle. So we need to use the formula 1/2 base times height to find its base area. The base of the triangle is 6.9. And the height of the triangle is 6. Multiply those two values together and then split it in half to find the base area. The height of the whole prism is 5. So to find the volume, we're going to take our answer from the base area and we're going to multiply by the height, which was 5. Go ahead and calculate the base area and then multiply that by the height to find the volume. Your answer should be in centimeters cubed. Part B says, use the information in figure 2 to determine the volume of the prism. Well, figure 1, up in the directions, it says the pieces of figure 1 are rearranged and put together to form figure 2. So if you take apart figure 1 into 3 sections and rearrange the sections, does the volume change? No, the volume stays the same. So we're going to say the volume does not change. When you rearrange the pieces, the volume does not change. Therefore, the volume is still, and then tell me how many centimeters cubed that you got from part A. Part C then asks, if we were not told that the pieces of figure 1 were rearranged to find figure 2, could we still determine the volume of this shape? If you notice, there is a base that is a trapezoid. So yes, we can find the volume. We just need to use the base area for a trapezoid.